बाबू दोन स्टेटमेंट पळयले आमी तुमचे. यू आर एग्रेसिव्ह ऑन गव्हर्मेंट. तुम्ही अशें कितें नोटीस केलें एंड यू आर सो फ्युरियस ऑन हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट फंक्शनिंग?
You see the health. You see basically the functioning of the health department. People are dying every. Goans are basically dying every day. So that is totally a mismanagement as far as the health minister is concerned. Who can you blame? Now, chief minister basically allots portfolios to all his cabinet minister. Each one has been entrusted of their portfolios. So now, suppose if whatever department if is not functioning, or and during crisis, you can come to know exactly the real functioning of the department. So you have seen during this crisis, and it is not that this crisis has come all of a sudden. This crisis was expected to come. Because first, if you go to see in other countries, even when the first virus came out, it was in the month of December. Then it came only to India in the month of February, March. That is the time at least we were not ready for it to say, because there was no vaccine, there was no those kits and all was not available. No one knew what this virus was all about. But now, when other countries, the second wave was going on, you are well aware that Baba, the second wave is coming. Baba, we got to prepare ourselves. That is very important. So what is the frustration? If you cannot do anything for your people, what is the use of being here? That is my question. People get us elected to see that at least you save their lives. That's the least what you can do.
So तुम्ही म्हणतात प्रायोरिटी मेळटा फॉर 70 people. Have you noticed something like that?
Definitely 100%. As I told you, no, day before yesterday, a fellow came from Valpoi. There were no beds. There were no beds. One fellow was removed from the bed and made him to sleep on the floor. And that Valpoi fellow was given a VIP treatment. What I am trying to say, see the person, whoever was sleeping earlier, who was occupying the bed is a Goan. What he must, first of all, he must be praying to God. God, please make me okay and send me home. And then on top of that, you get this humiliation that someone else comes and I am being made to sleep this thing on the floor. So what will be his moral of that person? So you are really basically humiliating other person. No, this is not only not accepted. This is not only the same. The doctors, I am telling you, the doctors may not be speaking, but I am telling you, as far as doctors, nurses and all are concerned, is Goa Medical College. It is freedom is given to the Valpoi. It is run like a Valpoi cooperative society. It is not even a hospital, because all the multitasking staff which are there, which are working, at least 80% of, if you just find out, ask for or through RTI, you can find out at least 80% are from Valpoi. I have got no problem about that. It is fine. You have been appointed there. Your appointment is given, maybe given by the government to work for the people. But then what happens? These people in the afternoon and all, they go for lunch. 2 hours or 2.5 hours, they don't come also. Then if nurses see, naturally these are the helping hands. The multitasking people, suppose the nurse says even something to them, why you are late and all this thing. Soon they say, Ami Baba Sangha. Now this is good Baba, new is come. I am telling you, we get that, see in England and all, you get that Sir, Lords and all. So here, moment you come into politics, you get a Baba, Bai, then Bahu, all these titles you get. And you feel that you are in self entitled for all these things. So even doctors basically, the doctors and then after what happened, this Baba calls whoever basically has complained. Those people say, we'll tell Baba, and then Baba gives them a dressing. So the moral basically of those doctors and nurses are itself low, and you will see under what difficult situation and this thing they are working in.
तुमको दिसता ऑक्सिजनाक सुद्धा 70 प्रायोरिटी दिता आसतलो.
Baba, हांव तुका सांगता, there is priority as far as Valpoi things are concerned. I am saying this hospital, see, we are multitasking too much staff, big halabar. They should work for the people that they have been appointed for that. Otherwise, you take them home and pay them the salary and let them sing Baba's praises. We have got no issue about that. But here, what we are saying, other Goans are suffering. You are not. When you take oath, when you took oath as a minister, you said, I will serve the state. You never said, I will serve Valpoi. State. And state is not Valpoi. So this is very important.
Sir, you are calling about Baba. Who is that Baba?
Who else is Baba other than Vishwajit? There is not. See, you don't ask me a question like who is Baba and all this. Everyone knows who is Baba. Baba is only one. Baba is there.
Okay.
Vishwajit.
Okay.
The health minister.
Okay. You mean to say, sir, you switched the side from Congress to BJP. Today you are regretting by looking
No,
at the situation.
See, it is not question. It is nothing to do with me. It is the people who are suffering. See, for tomorrow if the CM also does or any other minister does something wrong, I will raise my voice. But here, what is unnecessary blame is basically coming on a CM. See, people are today. If you go to see, people are cursing the CM. But what I am trying to say, the people should understand only one simple thing. CM may have not paid attention, thinking that this everything is running smoothly. This bubble basically has burst now. I mean, medical, everyone say medical, he should show such a way that medical is one of the best thing. Actually, medical doctors and nurses are working overtime. They are the best. But don't give credit to a minister for a medical college. You should give basically credit even whoever returning back as normal patients who are returning back normal. They should thank the doctors and nurses that they have reached home safely, and because of their efforts that they have reached home. Nothing to do with this fellow.
So GMC's main problem more deaths are happening because of this oxygen issue. Even High Court noticed that today. So oxygen issue koni create kela?
Yesterday you must have seen, you have heard a minister say, you should put a High Court this thing. He said to ask what is the distinction between 2 and 6. Am I right or wrong? This is the statement what he made. Now can you tell a responsible minister, can he make such a statement? That means you have failed. I am just trying to say you are working for the people. It is you are not, don't ask the High Court. You tell the people want to know why their loved ones are dying. You should basically tell the people that between 2 to 6, what is happening? What is happening? You should answer no. You are putting on whose head you are putting? You are telling the High Court basically, if you don't know, you must be nice when people are dying between 2 to 6, you must be nice in your la la land, sleeping, and the goans are dying there. So it is your failure. I am just trying to say, you accept a failure, no? See, the biggest room in your house is a room for improvement. Baba, if I have failed, you should say, yes, I have failed. I need to improve. Here you are not ready to take the onus on yourself. So whom you want to blame? It is your mismanagement that has failed this thing. Now and then, actually, this one, Goa Medical, you are spoiling the name of Goa Medical College. People are afraid to go to medical college today. People tomorrow, people feel, there are so many rumors going on. Basically, my organs, some organs they are taking this thing, that thing. These other rumors basically are going on. So people are afraid basically to go to this thing. So that fear should be, who is the fellow who should, the government is the person who should address those fears of the people. But Goa Medical College is the best. I myself have got treatment in Goa Medical College.
Okay, oxygen issue responsible.
See now, oxygen, as I know, in all these cases you require oxygen, everyone knows. As I said, but you knew that the second wave was coming. You made that statement saying that 300 or 200 people will die. Why you made that statement? That means you know that you were not prepared. You know that you could not cater to those people. Why you were not ready? I am asking you a simple question. Why you are not ready? So say that you have failed. See, there is nothing, it is not going to make any difference to the person who has lost his loved one. But it is a little solace for their thing saying, yes, the government has failed us. This is the thing.
But अनेक blame गेले CM oxygen responsibility आपल्याचेर घेतलेली. So supply of oxygen is short, then CM should be responsible. He short supply of oxygen.
When did CM take the responsibility? CM took the responsibility now.
10 days.
Okay, some 10 days. There were rumors, rumors that oxygen, the supplier of the oxygen, whoever was used to supply, used to get half cylinder filled. Half cylinder of the oxygen is to come to the medical.
There is 2 oxygen suppliers.
Whoever it is, I am not interested who is this thing. But I am just trying to, today you have made other people defunct. No, there were other people also who, for donkey's years, who were supplying oxygen to medical colleges. So you have put other people out of business. So that is the reason you could not cope up with a deficit. So at least now you should have done something, no? You should have told other people, and Baba, we'll ask other companies also to supply us. When you are not ready for this thing. You are signing directly 10 years contract. Everything basically is outsourced and sold that way JMC is concerned. Only that building is remaining to say that this belongs to the government. I don't know if even that is sold. Only that is it. You see the food, the quality of the food. No food is allowed for even if you are this thing. Outside food is not allowed. Okay, that is one thing. Even as far as the students and all who are staying there, they have been supplied this food, and that also if you must pay if you have or if you don't have. So everything basically has been privatized. Nothing is left in the government. It is only that building. That also, as I told you, I'm not very sure whether the building.
The eco-clean housekeeping and
everything here, everything. So why you require this multitasking system and all this thing? When everyone you are hiring from this, you see the state what they serve here. The food what they serve. I was there, no, for 2 days. I have seen, and I told the chief minister also what they serve. Me when I was there. I am saying we are trying to see, even where children are concerned, we have this midday meal. We basically calculate 5 rupees 70 paise or 6 rupees 70 paise one child get. So you just see 5 rupees 70 paise or 6 rupees 70 paise, what how many calories, how many this thing you can get for as far as child is concerned. Here, right, left, center, what days to supply. Earlier, this is not triple they said one of the best company. I don't know what company you're talking. People are not going, as I said, people are not going there to enjoy. People are going there basically to get treatment. They are not going, I want the best of this thing. They are not going to a hotel. They would have wanted a hotel if you want best of food. People want best treatment. People want to reach home back. Then they will thank the government. That government really takes care of us. So it is totally mismanagement.
तुमका दिसता हेल्थाची जबाबदारी सीएमान और दुसऱ्या खंयच्या मिनिस्टरान घेवपाक जाय म्हणून?
No, I told the chief minister that I think you should take the responsibility of health, at least under this circumstance.
You already started meeting also with doctors and
See, CM should be in charge. No, so far CM was kept in the dark. CM thought everything is going great as far as because this is the way he was projecting. Health minister, you must have seen so many inaugurations, this thing, that thing, going to the minister. Which ministers anytime went to the health, to the medical thing? Show me. There were so many ministers who were health ministers. Right, I said, right from Dr. Willie was there, then after Narvekar was there, then Francis was there, then Lakshmi Khan, Dr. Amonkar was there. All these people have basically dealt with the health and this. No one is to go to the hospital to tell the doctors what is to be done. Today the dean, you are punishing a dean, you are making a dean come and sit in the secretariat. So you are demoralizing the moral of the doctors. When you get some low fellow and put him, make him to sit on the position. Till today, no say visiting committee has been formed. All the ministers had formed a visiting committee. Visiting committees are the people basically to check how the functioning of this thing is concerned. It is not they don't interfere, but they know that the functioning of the thing. This is not this thing. There is no interference basically should be of anyone. See, this is not accepted. People, I'm telling you, today my principal's husband died. Yesterday her father-in-law died. I'm just trying to tell you.
in GMC.
So,
all this privatization in GMC, there should be a thorough inquiry into all this.
Chief Minister basically should be bold enough. I am just making a comment. Should be bold enough to take action. Chief Minister made some statement saying that there has been a mismanagement. Now you just fix the onus, fix the blame on that mismanagement. Fix the blame why the people have died. That otherwise the blood will remain on this hand of the government.
CM should not make such statement and just shy away.
No, I am telling you, responsibility to fix. No, let someone, your loved one, whoever is died, let them at least let the person feel at least okay. At least they will not get any solace for what they lost ones. But at least the solace is there. But responsibility, people are fighting years. You see in other countries and all, people are fighting years together for their loved once they lose their loved ones. And we just right, left, center. Today, my father-in-law is dying. This thing is that in one family, basically 2-3 people. Yesterday, I have seen someone else's in Vasco, 4 person in the family died. They are cursing. At least you should have that moral. You should feel something. That I have made a mistake. What is that to admit? Ultimately, we are all human beings, no. But that egoistic in this thing approach, you don't please keep. See, we are a government. We are all there to support you. To do your job, but the moment you make a mistake, we are there to take basically you should take the dressing also. You should basically take the responsibility upon yourself. Yes, I have failed.
If
Morally, no, there should be some morality. No, where what morality and all this thing, these people as well.
If suppose today government not going to take any action or not going to take anything morally, this is going to impact in further elections. Are you going to say?
It is definitely going to impact. I look at it in that way.
Hmm.
Because ultimately government should say, why the near dear ones, why they died. People have got faith. You have got only one medical college. No one can spend lakhs of rupees if you go to Manipal and all the same. Manipal also doesn't have that many beds. So you at least what you do. People are not interested nowadays. Latli Lakshmi, all those Lakshmis and all. They are interested. Baba, our person should come back home.
The focus should be only on health department. And
Focus more should be on the health department. Money should be put in the health department. But money should be put on the health department with right people.
the person is not right now.
So you see that, right, left, center, I can the same. And I am not saying that just the same. That's the reason I have told Chief Minister, I have written a letter, I have sent a reminder back again today to the same. Have the same party meeting, MLA's meeting. Call the ministers and all. There I want.
Ask for a joint meeting of.
No, not joint meeting. We are responsible. We are in a government. We are in a government. Whatever my grievances, whatever I know what people are feeling, I want to rake up my issues as far as with these people. I want to have a face to face with whoever are the murderers, whoever are there. I will ask them that because of you have murdered the people. This will be my statement to the health minister once I go to the meeting.
You say that.
Definitely I will say that. See, no one stops me from saying what I have got to say. My mind, it is my thing. What other people have got opinion, let them make their opinion.
You make a statement.
Who you tell me then? Who is to be blamed? You tell me, no? I was asking you.
Deaths in GMC are.
See, when you know, I am giving you certainty. When you know that Baba, there are 200 people are going to die, you made this statement. We didn't make this statement. Okay, lockdown, this thing, that you made this statement. 200 people are going to die. So out of this 200, 75 are dying. So when you know, that means you are not prepared. That's what I am trying to say. How you know that 200 people will die? And on what basis you are talking about 200 people will die? You just tell me. What assessment? Who has given you this assessment? That 200 people will die? No other health minister has made this assessment in the country. Only this one has made. See, over the dead people also, these people will eat money. I am telling you.
Babu, you are vocal enough, but have other MLAs contacted you, or you are interacting with other MLAs and similar issues are discussed?
See, many MLAs have contacted me. There is no problem with this. Some people have basically have got a fear because this fellow has got a vindictive attitude. But his vindictive attitude, what I am trying to say is the Chief Minister is the head. Chief Minister is the head. Chief Minister is one who distributes the portfolio. What is the problem for the Chief Minister to remove when all the blame is coming on him? When the MLAs itself are accusing him to keep this thing. We also should have the faith in the Chief Minister, no? Okay, Chief Minister has done whatever we have requested. What stops the Chief Minister, I would like to ask, what stops the Chief Minister to hold that portfolio with you till this crisis get over? Keep it with you now. Till this, now you are handling it only. There can be only one captain of a ship. You cannot have two captains of a ship. And you don't require assistant captain and all that. Because assistant, if you think that the assistant captain, you cannot keep him on that position. So you are a captain of the ship. So I am asking you a clear this thing. People of Goa, I am talking here what people of Goa is asking. They may not have a direct access as far as Chief Minister is. I don't know. Chief Ministers must be going through the YouTube and all this thing. They must be this thing. See, what I am trying to say, I don't want simply, see, people are all cursing the Chief Minister. Even basically opposition have to blame the Chief Minister. Opposition has not blamed the Health Minister. Well, they have got their own this thing. Otherwise, in other terms, they blame the ministers. All anything. Babu, for tourism, they blame Babu. For something else, they blame this thing. For transport, this thing, they blame Mabin. What are this thing? But Health Minister is never taken to task. No one has this thing.
They have some understanding, do you think?
They definitely must be something. What else will be? Understanding both the sides. It is not like that. Balancing on both the sides. Both are there now. This side also and that side also is there.
So, Amdaranchi meeting can with CM.
I have asked for the CM for a meeting. I think Chief Minister should call this because this is a serious matter. People should CM should know what the people of Goa are talking about. And I will definitely tell you, basically, I'm not going to swallow any words basically when I tell whatever I got to tell the Chief Minister. And that's the time I will tell the MLAs also basically to speak up. And others I will tell you which MLA didn't speak up. That means those people should, their constituency people basically should take them to task for not speaking for them. No, because I am speaking because now it is high time here. It is high time that we should say yes, this is the part we have failed. But I don't blame the Chief Minister because I believe that whatever the portfolios have been distributed to this fellow is showing as if everything is so rosy here. So once the bubble broke, then everything is clear. See. Now Chief Minister itself said that there has been mismanagement. No, so how can you keep someone in that position when you yourself admit that there is a mismanagement in this?
The CM should act.
CM should act. I demand that CM should act.
Sir, one more question. This is the last question. Just now you said that this is going to be a problem in election. As a Panjim MLA, you are going to face the problem to get the elect on the BJP ticket if the crises are not going to
Resolve.
See, what I am trying to say, if you have a wound, basically you just try to apply ointment on that wound. Don't allow the wound basically to aggravate. I am just trying to tell you this. These things should not carry forward. We need basically some action should be taken. We need basically a better people of Goa should get confidence in a GMC. As I said, doctors and nurses are doing the best job what they can do. They are working under pressure. One pressure of the people, other pressure of this the health minister.
If CM not act today, it is going to be impact during elections.
See, CM should act. This is what, as I said, and I'm sure CM must be looking at all the tweets and all whatever he must be getting, and he must. Some people are.
Somebody stopping CM from taking action.
See, CM has got a brute majority. There is no one who should say. He should. I look at it. He should think in the interest of the party, and interest of Goa. That is very important. Interest of Goa is first. Party comes second. But in the interest of Goa, he should think and act.